Ndereti ya mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa nduthi yakiririe thutha wa giko kiria kiahanikire barabara-ini ya Wangari Maathai kaunti-ini ya Nairobi riria muiritu umwe ahurirwo ni andu a nduthi na akirutwo nguo. Thutha ucio ni kwagire na mugururio wa andu a nduthi bururi wothe handu waruma na ugicoka kurugamio niguo gukorwo na miario gatagati ga thirikari na andu a nduthi. Mĩario ĩno nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtabanio na rĩu atongoria a atwarithia a nduthi maugĩte nĩ mekunyĩte gũtũ na kwĩranĩra kweheria arĩa maramathũkĩria rĩtwa.
The president is number one bodaboda rider in Kenya na tunamheshimu. Na ameingilia wakati tunamhitaji kwa sababu we want our sector to be reorganized. Ndio tufanye kazi yetu tukiwa na heshima. Tufanye kazi yetu kama hatujaekelewa goti kwa shingo letu.
Njira ya mumwe ya gutheria ruhonge rwa nduthi ni kwiyandikithia na sako toria gukoragwo ruhonge-ini rwa matatu.
Watu wa reform. So walisema hivyo? Yes. Crackdown ikaisha. Yes. Tumekubali ku reform and register and be genuine bodaboda riders. Yes. And support the government.
Ruhonge rwa nduthi rukuite mamilioni ma andu ethi aria me thiini waruo makiurio moyo ndu uyu no ritu tondu ni macangagira na gicunji kinene hari gukuria utonga wa bururi.
You are a very respected and respectable sector. Over 6 million people directly getting their livelihoods from you. And then you are supporting over 22 million.
I am so happy that we are now entering a very useful and lifelong covenant that you and us will work together to fully reform the bodaboda sector.
Riri kambeini cia githurano ciakiriirie andu a nduthi ni moritio matigetikire kuhuthirwo ni ateti na kunyitanira na imaramari na thutha ucio matiganagirio mehangie.
This sector is going to be critical to us as we go through this process because I want to request you sincerely, my brothers and sisters, to be ambassadors and messengers of peace. Where there is an issue, come together. You are the ones who will call your groups as their leaders and tell them we must live together.
Wandikithia wa nduthi utanyite kurehe waragania hari ukui wa nduthi na kugitira atwarithia na athii acio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũchoki.